GOT channel. We will introduce the drive recorder function of the GOT2000 Drive Control interactive function. The drive recorder function enables you to analyze alarm occurrence factors. For example, when an alarm occurs in a servo motor, the drive recorder function allows you to check the detailed information of the alarm on GOT and to check the servo data before and after the alarm in a waveform. First, touch the alarm operation start switch to generate an alarm in a servo amplifier. An alarm has occurred. Next, touch the system launcher switch to display the system configuration screen. You can check the status of the module and the configuration diagram of the programmable controller system on the system configuration screen. You can confirm the alarm is occurring in the simple motion module. When you touch the simple motion module, the list of extended functions appears. Touch the system launcher menu to switch to the servo network configuration screen. Touch the illustration of the axis where the alarm is occurring. Touch the drive recorder from the menu to switch to the drive recorder information list screen. When you touch the waveform switch, the graph waveform screen appears. On this screen, you can check the servo data before and after the alarm occurrence in the graph display. When you touch the onset data switch, you can also check the servo data displayed in a list when an alarm occurs. You can save the servo data to an SD memory card or USB memory by touching the Save switch on the screen. You can check the saved data with MR Configurator 2 on a personal computer. The drive recorder function detects problems in an early stage and reduces downtime.